Hi, welcome to Nutley Cisco Academy. Today we will be presenting distributed networks.
So, what is a distributed network? A distributed network is a type of computer network that is spreading to other networks. Some distributed networks are used by hospitals, global enterprises, colleges, and governments. Some of the some benefits from distributed networks is the scalability, the sufficiency, like security. Managers can control the flow of the data, and it's cheaper to buy. It does not require an expensive server to be purchased, and it's reliable. Um, it can also give out single data communication network, which can be managed in a group or alone, and it is powered by network management software.
So this is how it's used. It delivers specialized applications to different remote users. It can be accessed by many others, like I guess people who are trying to get access to these networks. Um, a client slash server computing architecture is an example where a server is a producer of a resource and many interconnected remote users are the consumers who can access the application from different networks. I think of it kind of like if someone's like trying to get into a website, anyone can access it or do whatever they want. Like if you're to go on Wikipedia, you can make changes to it. So it's like from many different places, one can still access this information and make changes if they want to.
So why use a distributed network? They're commonly used in worldwide companies. So you could have a server in the US, you could have one in Japan, and they're all on their different servers. It decentralizes data for security. So if someone who wanted to steal your data got into one side of the network, they couldn't get all the data from the other side of the network. And it saves data across several servers. So here we could see a comic of a boss who was doing some work and the server crashed, and because they didn't have a distributed network, they lost all the data.
All right, some more uses of distributed networking. Distributed computing. This is computing through many computers over one server. The main use of large distributed networks is cloud computing. This allows access to the network through multiple computers, allowing synchronized computing. Faster to find and fix errors in system-wide errors and shutdowns, meaning that for many different areas, you can access the internal of the network to figure out where problems reside. And it's easier to combine networks together. This includes old existing networks to new networks that you wish to create. It allows easier connecting between the two. Now, some questions. What is one reason to use a distributed network?
Who can access distributed networks? What is a distributed network, and what type of computing is used from distributed networks?
And this is the end of the presentation. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to Nutley Cisco Academy.